Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek. Welcome to our January 2020 updates, of course with background music. As you can see, I'm in the reports section of LegalTrek, where we have two new default reports: worked and billable hours for client per attorney and worked and billable hours for attorney per client. Why are they interesting? Well, they are the first reports that differentiate on the basis of attorneys or clients rather than on the basis of time. If you look at the old reports, they are all based on dates and times. Now we have developed those two new reports. Let's check them out. If I choose worked and billable hours for client per attorney, and I of course have the option to select my office, for easiness I'm going to say that I want to see all my offices and I want to check out a client. Let's say it's Schulke and Mayer, and what I get is the worked hours and billable hours of every attorney and fee earner who has worked on this client. So for myself, I have 65 worked hours versus 57.33 billable. I have two colleagues that have spent less time on this client. This is the first new thing. And the second new thing, which you will notice on all of your reports, is that now the totals are displayed here. In addition of the totals of work to billable, you can see the percentage and the division between worked and billable. And last but not least, you get the data in a table, which is selectable. Of course, you can obtain the same result if you export to XLSX or export to image. It will get you the actual table. And last but not least, this time for real, you can also select all clients, and this is going to get you a really beautiful picture of who worked when, including former employees. The time frame is also adjustable, so if I am to select it for the current and previous quarter, it's just going to get me the numbers for the current and previous quarter. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this report, and let's move on to the next one, which separates worked and billable hours in the opposite way for attorney per client. So this report serves me to check how much I have worked for a particular client. So for every client is what I mean. So if you're interested in my work this month, or let's make it interesting, this current and previous 3 quarters, I've worked on only 2 clients, Company Peterson, Schulke and Mayer. I've only billed 12 hours, that's not very impressive, is it? And I've worked 17. If I'm to check a colleague, I can. Let's check the colleague Stanislav, who's only worked on 1 client, Schulke and Mayer, even less than I did. And of course the billable and worked hours are here, as well as the table. And this feature is going to be noted with not only the new reports but also the old reports. So if I'm to get to the existing reports, worked hours for last week, for all the offices, again I'm going to select for the purpose of seeing more colleagues. I get the total here, and I also get the table below. So that's how the feature works. And if you have any questions, or if you need any further information on reports, please feel free to reach us. I sincerely hope you use reports. They're a very powerful feature to give you insights into the work of your law firm. Thank you for watching.